Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Cassandra Good coming to you live from my home office here in Albany, Georgia. And today, ladies and gentlemen, I want to talk to you about the philosophy of Livegood. And what I mean by that is, some people say that success philosophy is just a short term for motivation or something to push you, right? So I say they are right. Okay, it's a short-term motivation to them simply because they are not internalizing philosophy. Okay, and so that philosophy is not the part of their belief system. To make a success philosophy work, you've got to internalize it. And see, a lot of people actually come to me and ask me about Livegood and how is it that you can make any money and it's only $9.95 a month and all of this other good stuff. But let me say this. It starts with the mindset. It starts with the mindset. Because when you internalize something, when you do, it will be reflected in your decision, then in your action, and then finally in your achievement. And all of those go hand in hand, step by step by step. So I have some success philosophies that I internalize on a consistent daily basis. I kid you not. An example of one of my philosophies that I believe is if I cannot get what I want, that's because something better, something greater is working and is waiting for me. It's waiting for me on the other side. Now, I might not be able to see it, but I know it's out there working for me because this right here currently is not working. I can't get what I want, so I know that there's something greater. So in times of what you might believe to be failure, instead of focusing on a loss, I would look for the better thing that was waiting for me. That thing that is waiting on the other end that's going to be grander than all. So true enough, better things always happen. And they do. There was a reason why I was able to internalize those success philosophies. And I'm going to tell you, because in my early 20s and 30s, during that period, when I was searching for ways to succeed, didn't really want to be in my government job, but I was because that's what I was taught. I was raised to believe, get this job, be a civil service worker, and then retire. I remember someone invited me to a business talk, and I was absolutely blown away because during that business presentation I was introduced to the idea of multi-level marketing, where where they say get two, get three, get four, and refer and refer and refer. And it was the first time I was introduced to this. The concept just blew my mind. And at the end of that talk, I joined the business immediately. I joined it immediately. And that business was called Herbalife, matter of fact. I was with that MLM company for about a year. And I had a downline. I had people that were coming to me and it was like, Sandra, what are you doing? And trust me, I was still learning because I was still internalizing. What was to come. So I'm going to be honest with you. I was being a self-help junkie. Even though I had this business talk with this person who actually just kind of left me once I joined, I always shared with people what I had learned with my downlines, with those people that I bought in. And I love it. Even to this day, I love it. Because the more I learned, the more I was able to teach people, the more I was able to share with people. And this went on for about a year. And fast forward 37 years, here I am. I'm still finding myself teaching and instructing and sharing with people all over the internet, here on YouTube, in LinkedIn, in Twitter, on Facebook, social media. And so today, I can recite so many of my success philosophies because I feel that teaching success philosophies is so important. It is so paramount to what the conditions of today is. And why is that? You might be saying, yeah, really, Cassandra, you're eternalizing over there. And I know it sounds weird. It's only because teaching is the best way to eternalize what you really want. And so remember this, what you've learned belongs to that person which taught you. But what you've taught belongs to you. So let me say that again. What you've learned belongs to your teacher, and what you've taught belongs to you. Now, you haven't learned a thing unless you've been able to teach it. That's just the truth. Because what you're doing is eternalizing that skill set. And you're able to push it out and share it so other people can duplicate your success. So if you haven't been teaching what you've learned, please start doing it. The person who teaches benefits the most because they can say that they shared this with people, and you can see that person, like myself, can see the successes that other people have if they just pay attention. And so I'm saying this to say, in Livegood, you're going to have people that are far out there. You're going to have people that will come to you. They have no earthly clue as to what is actually going on, but they want to learn. They want you to give them a piece of that pie. They want you to teach them. They want you to have systems that help them duplicate. Okay? And so now with the internet, there are many ways you can share what you learned. Okay? I mean, you got ebooks, you got podcasts, you got video, like here I am. You got blogs. People are using newsletter. You got so many different platforms of Facebook, social media, you name it. And all of this is building what? An audience of relationships. So please remember, ladies and gentlemen, that the one who learns most is the teacher, not the student. And so when I reach out to you here on YouTube, on my channel, and you actually come in here and you look at my video, it's not that I'm just saying join, 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 join. I am so profoundly moved by this platform by itself and the many people that are coming in and having a light bulb moment to finally be able to internalize something and be able to push out their best efforts by being able to duplicate what we have. Our team is the strongest team out there. We have the resources, we have the tools to help you be able to make Livegood your home. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming here once again to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe. Please, I'd love to have you. If you haven't joined Livegood and you've been looking, you've been sitting on the sideline trying to figure out what you want to do, give us a chance. Give us a chance. And just so you know, each time that I upload a video, go ahead and hit that notification button. I'd love for you to find out each time I upload a video, and I give you some more of my juice, some more of my motivation, some more of my inspiration, so that you know that you're making the right decision by making Livegood your home. So let's continue to live good with Livegood. God bless and speak to you soon.